How to fix Hoover washer E20 error and what does it mean? So according to Hoover, the E20 indicates that there may be an obstruction or blockage in the drain pump, and other common causes are like clogged or kinked drain hoses, blocked pump filters, or even a faulty drain pump. In some cases, there might be even an issue with the water level sensor which prevents proper draining, and if that's the case, then there's gonna need for actual professional help. But for the other cases that you could try, the first one is to basically first unplug the washer. So disconnect the machine from power before doing any inspections to avoid electrical shock, and try draining the water first. So use the emergency drain if your model does have one, and make sure there's no more water inside the actual machine. And you can try cleaning the pump filter. So the pump filter is usually found in the bottom section of the washing machine, usually right here or at the back of the machine. So it's going to look a bit something like this guy over here. So this filters, there's a picture over here on what it could look like. It's very filtery. You take that out and just clean the actual filter. If it's cleanable, then you could try changing it. If that's not the case, then maybe it could be the actual drain hose. Disconnect the drain hose from the machine. So it's gonna look a bit something like this. Basically the hose, since this might be actually clogged up or whatnot, you're gonna have to clean it up. Check for kinks, bends, or clogs in the actual hose as well. If it's clogged, try to flush it out. Some guides suggest using water plus baking soda if you're okay with that, or replace the hose if it is damaged, since that could cause a blockage as well. You can try checking the drain pump itself after cleaning the filter and hose. Inspect the pump impeller if it is accessible to see if it spins freely or something is stuck. If the pump is damaged, it may need to be replaced. So in that case, there's going to be professional help needed. So you can contact Hoover or basically any electrician to help you with this. But hopefully one of those options can help you though. If not, then there may be a bigger problem that's going on in your Hoover machine. But again, hopefully our information can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.